Viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some delicious golden fried dumpling Jamaican style. Now when you watch my video, please leave a comment, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go into the... To make my fried dumplings, I have here some self-raising flour, some cornmeal, salt, I'm using sea salt, and I'm gonna add some cinnamon in the mixture as well. And of course you just need to get some water to get everything together. So I'm just gonna add all the ingredients now in this pan. It's my self-raising flour, this is my cornmeal. With the cinnamon, it's just something that I've experimented in recent times, and I thought the result was good. Not a lot, just maybe half a teaspoonful. That should be enough really. And then I'm gonna add some salt. Oh, actually, I did add some salt in the cornmeal earlier, so I'm not gonna add any more because I don't want, when the dumpling is fried, it's too salty. So my error. Right, so I'll put this aside. So basically what I'm gonna do is just get some water and make all of this into a dough. What is very important is get your mixture, or when you get everything together, you don't want the dough to be soft and you don't want it to be hard. You just want it to get it at the right texture. Now it's about judgment. What I would say, because when I'm cooking I never use anything to measure anything, I just do it. But if when you're gonna mix your flour and everything together, just start with a little bit of water and then gradually until you get the texture and the evenness that you want. So I'll just mix everything up first because I've already had the salt, the cinnamon, the cornmeal. So I'm just gonna mix everything up, and then everything is right now. So I'm gonna add some water. Like I said, because I've done this quite a few times, I can sort of judge what amount of water I need to put in. But as you see, I haven't put all the water in. I'll just slowly do everything. And then what you will need to do is just add water as you go on until you get that finish that you're looking for. I've now completed mixing all the flour and the cornmeal and everything into a dough. This is it really. As you can see, it's not sticking to my hand or anything, but at the same time it's not too soft. What I'm gonna do is just to leave it here to rest for maybe about 5 minutes since I've made my dough, and I'm gonna just start to make my dumplings. Just a little pinch, and then just roll it in a nice little circle. I'll put some oil in my pan here. The oil is heated up, but what you don't want is to have the flame too high, so the oil gets too hot. At the same time, you don't want it to be too low. You just want it to be sort of maybe between low and medium, so that the dumpling is cooked at an even pace and it doesn't burn. So I'm just starting to make my dumplings here now. The oil is what you don't want is to turn the flame too high and then get the oil too hot. That will cause the dumpling to burn without cooking properly. So you just want it to be like between low and medium, and once the oil is heated and the dumpling is fried, then you can sort of control it. I'll test that one. Yeah, start to fry. So I start to add my dumplings inside. One thing that is very important when I'm frying dumpling, I usually turn them over occasionally so that everything is fried even throughout. So I'm turning these over right now. Probably it's a bit late, but I'll probably turn them over again so that you get that nice even finish when the dumplings are fried. Right, so this is my dumpling. I've had a set over there finished frying already. Just waiting for this set to complete. I will continue to turn them over to ensure that everything is cooked nice and even throughout. As you can see, the remaining dumplings in the pot, they're changing color all the time the longer they cook. So you just have to keep turning them over so that everything is cooked through or fried nice and even. These are almost complete now. So once they have been completely cooked, I'll just put them aside, let it cool down. And I think what I'm gonna do is just to do some ackee and saltfish. As you know, fried dumpling, ackee and saltfish. Right, so this is the finished product. As you can see, Everything is fried nice and even throughout. Looks very nice. My dumpling is now cooked, and like I said, I'm gonna have it with some ackee and saltfish. As you can see, this looks really yummy. So yeah, wow, the dumpling is nice, crispy outside, very soft inside. Wow, this is really lovely. If you have never tried ackee and saltfish before, please give it a go. You can't lose. Please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.